What's going on, guys? Another video today. Today I'm going to be talking about my windshield tint. I mentioned it in the last video. Today I'm going to go more into detail. This is 35 on the windshield and a 5% brow on the top. You can hardly see in it at all, but only at certain angles. Like on an overcast day, you can't see in really at all. Got 15 on the side and 5 everywhere else. See right here, you can kind of see it. This is all the highest UV protection too. There you can see, I got them to cut around my inspection sticker too. It's in Texas, we have to have one on the front. You can see out fine during the day. Night is a different story. They're gonna be close to it. It's not bad at night, but with my stock headlights, I'm gonna definitely need to get some LEDs, I think. But you can see fine out during the day, just normal. Got the 5% brow up top. You can see it's pretty low. I like it kind of where it's about how low the visor would be. Yeah, overall I like it. Always liked windshield tint on my vehicles when I get it. Looks really sleek. Adds that mystery. Yeah, I didn't want to go to 5 on the sides just because I want to be able to see out at night, even though 5 still, it's pretty dark to see out, what I've heard at night. So I wanted 15's plenty dark for me. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram too if y'all haven't yet. Can't see in from the back. The sunroof is still the same as factory. I got it cracked right now. I think even with it open, you still can't see in that much. It does make it a little bit more visible, especially on a sunny day. I bet it will. Really good setup in my opinion. It's done by, got all my window tint done by Executive Tint Designs. I'll put their Instagram in the description. They're on Instagram. That's what I get. That's how I contact them. Always had them do my work. They're also the ones that actually did my hood too. So yeah, they do a bunch of stuff. I recommend them if you're in the DFW area looking to get tint done. This is their ceramic, nano ceramic film on all windows. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this one, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I'm gonna try to get more active on here again. See y'all next one.